Assalamu alaikum viewers. How to lift permanent immigration ban imposed due to the tuberculosis. So today we will discuss based on the inquiry some of the subscribers. So viewers, if TB tuberculosis scars are no longer existing on your lungs, you may be able to lift the immigration ban imposed on you based on the resolution that had amended several provisions on the medical examination system for availing work and residence visa in the UAE. Applicants are screened for the communicable diseases including hepatitis, HIV, leprosy, syphilis, and tuberculosis. To safeguard the country, public health communicable diseases are banned inside the country, including hepatitis B and C and tuberculosis, TB, and HIV/AIDS. So viewers, kindly note that this discussion is the for the people who already left the country and they are banned, and the people who are inside country, if they have these diseases, they have their another system. They either deportation or either they are sending them to take the medication in the healthcare center. So now we will discuss if you are outside the country and you already undergo the examination and you do not have the old TB in your lungs, so what document and procedure required to lift the ban. So the number one is undergo medical examination in your home country. Second is obtain medical fitness report. Third is power of attorney, and four is document submission in medical fitness center and approach to immigration department. So we will discuss these points, so kindly watch the full video, do not skip because there are a lot of information I am going to give you. So as you intended to come back to UAE, to lift the existing immigration ban on you, you may start with granting a power of attorney to your friend or relative in the UAE, which is duly notarized and legalized by local authorities and attested by the UAE embassy in your home country. So viewers, the whatever the report you have in your home country, that report must be notarized and attested from the local authority in your country, like Ministry of Foreign Affairs and also the UAE embassy in your country. And it would be necessary on your part to undergo a medical examination in your home country for TB and obtain a medical fitness report from a government approved medical center. So there must be a medical report from the government approved center. There are some government approved center in to your country. You can check by your local health centers. Okay, then you have to obtain a medical fitness report. So I am showing you over here one of the report. This is from the Pakistan. Notarize and legalize the medical fitness report, which states you have no TB related scars or illness. Once the above is completed, you may send the attested medical fitness report and the power of attorney granting to your friend or relative who is residing in the UAE. So that documents you have to send to your friend or relative. If you do not have relative or friend, then you have to hire a legal practitioner to do your job based on your case. So finally, once your friend or relatives or the legal practitioner receive the mentioned documents, she needs to attest them at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Corporation in the UAE. Kindly note that your report must be in Arabic language. You can translate into your home countries when you are going to attest from the local authorities. You make a translation and attest that will be more benefited for you. So the document may be submitted to the Ministry Medical Fitness Center where you had undergo medical fitness test previously. Based on the documents submitted by you, the Ministry and the General Directorate of Residency and Foreign Affairs may lift the immigration ban on you. So viewers, your report from the home country and all document must be submitted in medical fitness center where you have undergo medical fitness as previously and where your medical was unfit. So you may request your friend or relative to contact the ministry and the general directorate of residency department in the Emirat where your residence visa was previously rejected due to the TB scars for any further queries in this regard. So they have to check your status over there and they can get your previously report also. Then the life ban might be removed, and when person lands in the country, he she has to visit the assigned medical center to follow the treatment course also, because they will also further check your situation, and they will give you also a report. So further you may also contact a legal practitioner in the UAE if you intended to seek professional legal assistance if you intended to come to UAE on employment visa. So there are some options. If you have the friend or relative, he can do, and if you do not have, then you have to hire a legal practitioner for this procedure. We were based on the documents and the reports and the procedure. You may try to remove the ban as per the procedure. So it's up to the Ministry of Health and the General Director of Residency. They may be remove your ban if you have old TB scars and these things at past. So hopefully this short video is informative for you. I request you to subscribe and share my channel with your friends.